All right, everyone, welcome back. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So this is the first cabinet that I finished at the first half of the day from the last couple days, starting on yesterday. Sorry, wow, my brain. Started pretty much yesterday. I had to fix a few things because I actually started on Tuesday last week, but I had to start over with a couple of wires. So started yesterday on Monday and then finished today. Like halfway through the day, and then went ahead and smoked the second one. You'll see why here in a second, but did this one as fast as I could, saved a whole bunch of time. Just got some more details, so went ahead and got all those wires stripped out and put in. There's actually one left over that was missed, but I'll go ahead and take care of that tomorrow morning. But other than that, that pretty much wraps up my entire day. Alright guys, I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of a rough day, just a little bit. Basically I was working on that first cabinet for like a day and a half, 2 days. And one of the guys that works in the office usually basically told me I was going extremely slow or way too slow. So ask a few questions, ask how long they wanted the wire, because the one guy told me not to cut the wire, so I was literally stripping out like 20-30 feet of wire on some of these. So basically he just said leave the wire long enough to reach any of the things in the cabinet, so which is basically like 6 to 8 feet. So I was cutting off a whole bunch of extra wire, saving a whole bunch of time. So basically went from like 10 hours for the first cabinet, or 10.5 hours, down to like 3.5, 4 hours on the second cabinet. So feel pretty good about that. I was hustling. So I think he left halfway through the day, so he didn't really get to see me finish the second one, which is unfortunate, but hopefully word will get out that I did a lot faster job on the second one. So that wasn't the best news of the day, just knowing that I was doing really slow, which is never something you want to hear. Anyways, got her done, just working on that second cabinet again. Got that basically completely finished, cleaned up, and then I found an extra wire laying on the ground, so I'll stub that one in tomorrow morning, and then literally no idea what I will be doing tomorrow, so we'll wait and see. But anyways, not too mad, but I'm just happy that I got the second one done a lot faster. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Don't forget to drop a like and subscribe. See you guys back in the next video. Check the description for anything else. Hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks guys so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.